Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best bike engine oils you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many bike engine oils and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each bike engine oils so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a bike engine oil. The first thing is viscosity grade, which determines how well the oil flows in different temperatures. Always choose the viscosity recommended by your bike's manufacturer. The second factor is whether your engine is 2-stroke or 4-stroke, since each type requires a specific oil formulation. The third point is to check if the oil meets the proper API or 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 certification standards for quality and performance. Also, consider the oil's base type, mineral, semi-synthetic, or fully synthetic, depending on your riding style and conditions. Lastly, make sure the oil provides good protection against wear, deposits, and oxidation for longer engine life. Choosing the right engine oil improves performance, mileage, and smoothness of your bike. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.